Pfizer releasing some very promising news about its coronavirus vaccine this morning, saying it could be up to 90% effective against the virus. ABC 10 News anchor Mary McKenzie has the response from one local vaccine researcher and what it likely signals about other clinical trials.
First reaction was some skepticism because 2020 has been like 100 years long.
Dr. Shane Crotty is a vaccine scientist with the La Jolla Institute for Immunology. Like the rest of us, he woke up to Pfizer's big announcement about its vaccine, right now in phase 3 clinical trials. He says his skepticism was won over quickly.
And as soon as I read their paragraph on the actual numbers,
demonstrating as high as a 90% efficacy rate over 94 cases, Crotty says that's good news, really good news on a number of fronts. For the pandemic, for public health in general, for science, and specifically for vaccine development going forward.
To be able to go within the same calendar year, from nothing to a 90% efficacy signal in a phase 3 clinical trial.
As for what's next and when we might likely see massive rollout, Pfizer has said by the end of the year, it'll have manufactured enough doses to immunize 15 to 20 million people. The efficacy announced today, then safety data and manufacturing are the 3 requirements necessary for Pfizer to file for emergency use authorization with the FDA. So yes, it will be some time, perhaps a year even, before there are enough doses administered to the general public for there to be a real return to anything resembling normal. But today, he says, was a big step in the right direction and expects more steps to follow, more trials to be close to announcing similar news in the next month or two. He acknowledges there will also have to be real inroads made in boosting the public's confidence so enough people are willing to take that vaccine. Mary McKenzie, ABC 10 News.